So my sister and I booked a last-minute ticket to Miami. With this spontaneous trip, we had nothing planned, but each day we found ways to adventure affordably. So this is our guide for traveling Miami on a budget. Alright guys, so we are officially in the beautiful Miami, Florida, and we are going to explore a bit for today, so we're going to take you along with us. We are currently in Bayside in downtown Miami, and at 6 p.m. we're going to be going on a boat tour. So we're going to watch the sunset, and it'll be really fun and beautiful, so we're going to take you along with us. So let's enjoy the day. So the first spot to check out is Bayside Market. It is located in the Biscayne Bay in the heart of downtown Miami. If you do check out this place, there's a lot of fine shops, international cuisine, and music, all in front of this beautiful waterfront setting. They also have a Ferris wheel gondola here, so you can check that out and you can see beautiful views of Miami. Wow! Okay, so about 4 minutes away from the market, there is this thing called the Freedom Tower. And we're currently trying to find it. I think you have to cross these railroads over here on the side, but we'll get there. Okay, so apparently we were going the wrong way. It is literally just right there. So we're going the right way now, and shoes are off. Her shoes were killing her.
I'm over
but
it.
We'll get there. Okay, so the museum is actually closed right now. They're closed on Tuesdays, so don't come on a Tuesday. But if you do come, this is the Museum of Art and Design at Miami-Dade College. And if you want to get away from the crowds at Bayside Market, then come over to Bayfront Park. It's right by the market, and there's a lot more greenery here, palm trees. You could probably come and have a picnic with some friends and just chill. So they also have these rocks by the edge of the park, and you can come and sit here and just be by the beautiful water and enjoy the breeze and watch all the yachts and boats passing by.
Luckily, we got in line early, so we have a nice spot.
A lot of these mansions all belong to so many different celebrities. It's pretty crazy. So that house over there belongs to Al Capone. See it? So that house right there belongs to the richest man on the island. You see? Alright guys, and that house right there belongs to the one and only Rihanna. So the yellow mansion belongs to Madonna over there, and then Gwen Stefani right next door. How was your boat experience so far, Nins?
10 out of 10. Groupon killed it. The sun is beautiful. The sky is beautiful. The mansions are beautiful. The tour guide is very funny. So, great.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a good one. Stay on the
Alright guys, so the tour has just ended. The sunset was super nice towards the end. So beautiful. So if you do end up doing a boat tour, definitely would recommend one of these sunset tours. And honestly, I think it was really cool getting to see all of the celebrity mansions. I had no idea that so many celebrity mansions existed on that island. I had no idea.
In one place. Which one was your favorite celebrity mansion?
Which one was your favorite?
I was super excited by Jackie Chan. I watched all of his videos. Well, he has like a million.
Yeah, she was really excited. She was
very excited. Rihanna was
Rihanna's
cool.
mansion.
J-Lo's.
The mansions are endless of all of the celebrities that live there. So very cool. We are off now to go find some food to eat. So let's go get something to eat.
Let's go.
Ready? All right, let's go. Alright guys, so we are here at Mambo Cafe. It has Cuban and Caribbean cuisine, and we just got our food. We ordered a salad. We got a salad here. We got some plantains and guacamole, and we just got this, she just got this fish sandwich. How's the first fry bite?
Delicious, I'm so hungry.
Alright, so we are going to go ahead and finish up this food. Okay, we just finished dinner and now we're just gonna walk around a bit. There's music playing, so I'll take you to it. Alright you guys, so we are on day 2 and today my sister and I are going to the spa.
Yes.
We're gonna go and get massages. You definitely don't have to do this if you decide to come to Miami, but we decided we wanted to get some massages. My sister is pretty good at finding deals, so we're going to Mint Wellness Spa and we're able to get both of us for how much? $100, so that's $50 each. So we're gonna take you along with us for this experience.
Excited. I've never gotten a massage before.
Thank you.
You can put your stuff over there. You have a
Okay. Okay, so we have just finished our massages. We're out, we're done. How was it for you?
It was amazing. I've never gotten a massage before. I had no idea what to do. I was like, do I take off my clothes now? I don't know. So the beginning was awkward, but it was a full body and I feel so relaxed. How was it for you?
It was really good. It was super relaxing and nice, and I just, try to, be at peace.
Yeah, very peaceful.
Yeah.
I would describe it as very peaceful.
Yeah. Now we're going to explore the area, see what's next on our adventure today. Okay, so we are now headed to the Venetian Pool, which is basically just a U.S. historic public swimming pool located in Coral Gables, which is where we are at right now. So the architect of this pool actually designed it so it could resemble a Venetian lagoon. And in the 1920s, the pool was meant to highlight the distinctive architecture of the city. Now we are just exploring the neighborhood of Coral Gables. Apparently this is one of the more expensive neighborhoods in Miami County, and it's a Mediterranean themed planned neighborhood, so it's kind of cool just looking at all of the different houses and architecture that exists here. Something that we noticed while walking down the neighborhood is that in front of the houses there are these white blocks that have a lot of different Spanish city names. Alright guys, so we are now heading over to Miracle Mile. It is a shopping center, also in Coral Gables, and we're gonna see if we can find a refreshing drink because it's hot and humid and we are thirsty right now. Alright guys, so we are now getting some drinks. We just chose a place after walking around for about half an hour, but we're at Clutch Burger and I just ordered a drink here. It's a seltzer and my sister got this Bring Me Sunlight.
Bring Me Sunlight sour. Grapefruit, lime, agave, and sea salt.
Nice. Cheers.
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 They have a huge selection of beer here, which is very exciting to me.
Refreshing after a long day.
Yeah, so refreshing. That's really good.
Alright, so we have just finished our drinks and now we're just gonna walk around for a bit and enjoy the sunset. And then probably gonna head back to our Airbnb and keep it a short day. Chill day.
Restful,
relaxing day. There she is. Alright guys, so we just finished doing a bit of exploring around the area and we're now gonna head back to our Airbnb. So it was a very nice chill day. We're gonna relax, end the day a bit early, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning everyone. So it is the next day and today we're just gonna keep it chill here in Miami. It's actually supposed to rain, so we just have a few things on our agenda, but we are checking out the Wynwood area. So right now we are at the Wynwood Walls and it's a graffiti museum.
There's a ton of cool like art and graffiti here, and they just reopened for COVID, so we're gonna check it out. It was only $10 for admission.
$10 each, so that is a total of $20 for 2 people.
Yeah, amazing.
So it just started raining pretty hard here in Miami, pouring. So we decided to stop by these food trucks that are just parked out here. We are at a guy in a deli, and so my sister got some food. We're just grabbing some food and I got a drink and we're gonna try to wait this out a bit until it ends. So yeah. Alright, good morning everyone. So we are officially on our last day here in Miami and my sister and I decided to finally check out the beaches. So we are actually currently at North Beach. South Beach is where things are a little bit more crazy and there's definitely more crowds, especially if anyone has seen the news articles that came out after spring break. Spring break got a little crazy in South Beach, so my sister and I definitely wanted to avoid those crowds, especially during COVID season. So we're here in North Beach and there's definitely a lot less people around, which is really nice, and the water is really beautiful, the breeze is really nice, and I'm really excited to just dip in the water for a bit. My sister is actually already over there, found a nice little spot, so I'm gonna go and find her. Okay, so my sister and I now are getting dinner. We found a spot called Merkado 31 here in North Beach, and they serve Peruvian food. So I ordered their quinoa salad. It's very lemony and actually really delicious and flavorful. My sister, what did you order?
I don't know what it's called, but it's like refried beans and rice and a delicious sauce and a bunch of seafood. Yum! Okay.
What does it taste like?
It's some delicious food.
We're gonna go ahead and enjoy this.